This tutorial will explain how to access your Discovery streaming from the Lopez Library LibGuide homepage. First, you access the Lopez resources. From here, you're going to actually click on Discovery Streaming, the icon that's going to pop up here in just a second. At this point, this is where your username and password will be accessed. You will include them here. Your librarian can get them for you, or your teacher. Then you're going to log in. This is your dashboard. We're going to be using the Board Builder under Builder Tools. So we will click Board Builder. While in the Board Builder, we're going to be able to create a new board. So I will use a template, for example, History. I'm going to enter a title, which we will call Shakespeare Practice. We do need to enter a description. So we'll call it Shakespeare Times. We're going to continue. At this point, it's going to ask for us to add it to a folder. So we will add a folder. We can name it Practice GT. You can name it whatever your subject is. You're going to add that. And now we have this format like a Blogster, and we can work with it. So we can search, we can upload content, we can look at content we already have, which is in this quick list right down here. So if I want to actually search for some content, I would click on Shakespeare, which will give us some results for that topic, and you'll notice that there are many results that you can actually filter based on the media type and the format. So right now I'm just looking at all of the choices. So if I would like to add an image, I can just say add, or I can remove it. And when I add that image, I can add it to the quick list. Okay, and so I have selected resources, and that when you added it, it actually went straight to the information, and it went straight into the box. So here I can enter image of Shakespeare, and I can actually add a caption. I can actually go and, depending on if it says files, I can add documents or information that I might have created, or pictures that I've put onto my iPad or my computer. If I want to upload, I would just go here and I go actually add the files from my computer. So you have many options that will allow you to easily add information to your file. So the next step, let's see, it's wanting me to add something, and we'll try to cancel it one more time. Oh, there's the X right up there. I couldn't see it. There it is. Here you have themes, so you can change the background. You have text style. Just make sure you are actually in the text when you're typing, and so that you know which text box you're working on. You have foreground that you can work on. You have patterns. Just remember, you need to be inside the text box to be able to edit the text. So from here, that is exactly how you can actually preview your information and go back and edit with it has to be selected. And you click it and you say Shakespeare, and you can create a theme here. So you can use this on your, when you save it, it's already been saved when we added it earlier. And now when you go back to your Builder Tools and you go to your Board Builder, you can actually see the board at the bottom that'll say Shakespeare right here, Practice. To edit, you just click here. So I encourage you to use this tool in Discovery Streaming. It's a fabulous information. It can have videos. This has a lot of descriptions for and resources. The last thing I want to show you that I forgot to show you was that when you were actually clicked on this image, if you go to details, this actually gives you the citation, so you could just actually copy the MLA for the citation, and you copy it, you close it, and then you can come right back over here, and if I want to say citation, I would just paste it there, and I have my citation already done. And that's the beauty of using Board Builder and knowing where you're actually getting your documents. So I encourage you to use this great tool called Board Builder. You can access it from home, you can get it on an iPad, so that is one option for your project.